Hi everyone! Welcome back to Africa Uni Academy. Today, we're talking about something that affects all of us, money. Managing money isn't just about saving. It's about making smart decisions that help you build the life you want. In the next 3 minutes, I'll share simple and powerful tips you can start using today to take control of your finances. First, track your spending. Write down or use an app to see exactly where your money goes each week. You can't manage what you don't measure. When you know your habits, you'll see where you can cut back and start saving more. Next, make a simple budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, transport. 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping. 20% for savings or debt repayment. This helps you live within your means while still enjoying life. Number 3, pay yourself first. The moment you get paid, set aside your savings before spending. Even a small amount like $10 or $20 a week builds discipline and grows over time. Number 4, avoid unnecessary debt. Credit cards and loans can be helpful, but dangerous. Only borrow for things that build value, like education or business. If it loses value quickly, it's probably not worth the debt. And lastly, invest in your future. Once you're saving consistently, start investing in knowledge, skills, or small business ventures. Remember, your money should work for you, not the other way around. So, there you have it. 5 quick tips to help you manage money wisely. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe for more practical life lessons every week. And remember, managing money is managing your future.